Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Well, I'll tell you, that Doug from Griddle, Cook, Eat and More has got me on a chopped cheese frenzy. This is the second chopped cheese sandwich that I've done in 2 weeks. But I really think that this one's going to be incredible. So today we're making a chili chopped cheese. So what I've already done is I've got together my seasoning. We'll talk about that more once we get out to the griddle. I have got some fantastic hoagie buns, and I got those split. Got these from a locally owned business here in the Valley of the Sun, Noble Breads. Used these last time. They were absolutely spectacular, so we got more. So if you're in the Phoenix area, give Noble Breads a try. I will put a link down in the description section to their website. I've chopped up some onions, some that's going to go in our chopped cheese and some that's going to go on top of it at the end. So without further ado, let's get out to the griddle and make this incredible sandwich. Alrighty, just like last time with the Washington chili chopped cheese, first thing we're going to do is get our hoagie buns paninied or paninified. Doesn't matter, whichever way you like it. So get a couple on your griddle and then squish them. So what we're going for here is to have a crispy outside but still have a warm, fluffy inside, like me. Alrighty, I'm happy where my buns are. Now let's get the meat down. Last time we did ground chicken. This time we're doing ground pork. As we talked about in the last video, the chopped cheese sandwich was invented in the 90s in a deli in New York City. Either Haji's Deli or Blue Sky Deli. They changed the name of it. Same place. That's where this incredible sandwich came from. The chopped cheese sandwich is typically made with ground beef and American cheese, but we're going special today. So we make our own sausages and hot dogs here at the Galley of the Sun, so the seasoning that's going on is the seasoning you would use to make hot dogs from a hot dog kit. You can get it from Cabela's, you can get it from Amazon, all over the place. I've got 3 pounds of ground pork down. I'm putting 4 tablespoons of the hot dog seasoning on it. We'll get that all mixed up. To that, we're going to add some Hormel no beans chili. I'm not really sure if I want 1 can or 2. I'm going to put 1 can on there, eyeball it, and see if I like how it looks. I don't want the chili to overpower the pork that has been flavored with the hot dog seasoning, but I need to have enough chili. So we'll look at it and decide. Also, I'm going to add a diced up sweet onion. Yeah, going in with the 2nd can of chili. It is smelling amazing. I did wait to put the onions in there because I wanted them to have a little bit of texture. Now we're ready for the last step. We're going to add an obscene amount of shredded cheddar cheese. Spread that all around to let it melt. All right, this stuff's getting good and gooey. I'm running out of daylight, so we're gonna get this all scooped up, taken inside, and we're gonna make the sandwiches. All righty, we're back inside where we can see. Let's get these constructed. So we're gonna take a bun. We're gonna open it up. Super crispy on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside, just like me. We're gonna hit that with some good old mustard. Then on top of that, our meaty, cheesy mixture. On top of that, a little more cheese, because you just can't have enough, unless you really like to poo. Now we're going to implement a lessons learned. When I made the Washington chicken chopped cheese, everybody thought it tasted great. They thought it would taste better if it was piping hot. Not everybody's home yet to eat, so we're going to take a piece of foil, put our sandwich in it, get that all good and wrapped up tight. I've got my oven on warm. We're going to chuck them in the oven until we're ready for some judgment. We will see you once we're ready for that. All right, sandwiches are done. I've rousted up a judge. Stand by for the judgment by Grace. Okay, we have our judge here, a new judge, Grace, which we all know is short for Gracelina.
Sure.
Okay,
Whatever
fantastic.
you say.
So,
You're the boss.
have you ever been to New York City?
Never.
Okay. Have you ever had a chopped cheese sandwich?
No.
Have you ever been to a Turkish prison?
No.
Okay, well, she's going to be a great judge for this then. So, this is a chili chopped cheese sandwich. It's a take on a New York bodega sandwich. So, yep, not sure how you want to eat it there. I'm going to get you a napkin when you figure that out, and then give it a taste and let us know. She's going in.
Good. Different.
Fantastic. Can you taste the chili?
Yeah, I can definitely taste the chili.
Can you taste the hot dog seasoning on the ground pork?
I don't think so.
Does your brain tell you hot dog at all?
No.
Okay, well, there we go, but it's good.
Yeah, it's better than a hot dog.
Well, there we go. It's better than a hot dog. That's all we need. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Doug, thank you again for the inspiration. I can't wait to see what you make. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.